Hello YouTube. What I have here is a Corvette C8 from RC brand called New Bright. This car is so cool. It's beautiful, like you can see. The body has nice colors. It's a very good representation of a Corvette C8. It's a licensed product. This one actually you see written there Forza Motorsport, which is a video game for Xbox. This RC allows you to have 1 free month of Xbox access, or the online account. Some of the features on this vehicle: it is all-wheel drive, which is great. It makes it so much better to drive in carpet. It performs a lot better than all the other New Bright Drop RCs. Has working lights, full functional radio controls, which means forward reverse driving, right and left steering. It's a 2.4 gigahertz remote control. The transmitter is long range, fast response. The antennas are internal antennas, and you can race up to 6 vehicles at once. Like you can see here, I'm running it through the streets, and it doesn't have shocks or any kind of suspension, so it bounces when you hit some uneven pavement, but see how it goes pretty well. You can turn side to side. Like I mentioned, it runs pretty well in the concrete, in pretty flat surfaces. I will have a clip where I show it running into the carpet, and as well as hard floor, hardwood inside the home. And again, it does perform very well. This particular vehicle here, it has a proportional acceleration, or let's say the forward reverse is proportional. So it's not like those controllers where you press go forward and then it's full power. You can gradually increase the speed, which is very nice. Steering, on the other hand, it's not proportional. So you say go left and all the way left. You go right, it's all the way right. Like you can see in this clip here, I'm running in circles within the carpet. Because it's 4-wheel drive, it goes very well into the carpet. Normally vehicles like this big, if it's only rear wheel drive or front wheel drive, it doesn't really drive very well. This one drives pretty well in the carpet. Unfortunately, this room is very small, so I had to go back and forth, but as you can see, you can maneuver the vehicle no problem. This area here, yeah, again, it's a very tiny area to be maneuvering the vehicle, but you can see how much fun you can have, right? Oh, and by the way, it's very durable. It's lightweight, and you can crash full speed and it doesn't really break, which is very good, because kids, they don't really know that much, right? I have a very young, less than 2 years old boy that loves these RCs, and the only thing he knows is really go forward and backwards, and until it crashes. So far it didn't break. The body is also surprisingly good and hard to break, but mine has seen better days since my 2 years old boy just kind of stepped on it, and one of the corners bent pretty hard. But again, like you can see here, I'm crashing into the wall. and nothing really happens. So I hope that you liked this video. Consider subscribing if you have not. Leave your comment, like, dislike, and I will get back to you very shortly. Thank you very much for watching.